As you can imagine, being the most ride-intensive park in the UK, the amount of steel structures, concrete, electrical interference across a site of this size makes it very difficult to try and get a wireless signal around everything. Blackpool Pleasure Beach is a 42-acre amusement park in the northwest of England. It's home to the UK's first double-launch roller coaster, Icon, and also Valhalla has just been voted the world's best water ride. Since the lockdown period, we've developed more systems that utilise mobile data to make it easier for our customers. So having a strong, reliable Wi-Fi signal around everywhere on our estate, it needed to be changed in order to be modernised, brought up to the spec required. It wasn't a complete system that was in place previously. It was mainly in the congregation areas. When people were seated in those locations, they could actually get online, maybe post a few pictures on social media, and that's the whole purpose of the Wi-Fi at that point. That's now changed significantly due to the new systems coming online. As we had the RUCKUS system in at the Boulevard Hotel and at the Big Blue Hotel, it made sense to extend that and bring it into one complete system so that all our customers, whether they were hotel or visitors to the park, they just get a seamless experience. Some of the key features of RUCKUS, the analytics side of it, is one of the best features in the fact that you can see where the hotspots are, where people are congregating more or utilising the network more, and as such you can make decisions about which APs to actually put in that location. We developed an e-ticketing system, far easier from a customer point of view, far quicker experience. Alongside that, we actually developed a virtual queuing system. We call it Speedy Pass. And the idea there is that you can actually book a time slot to go on a ride. Each time you book a ride, you need the Wi-Fi signal. You don't want to be using your data up all the time. We don't want the customers to be using the data up. Use our Wi-Fi signal, make the process easier. Wi-Fi signal at all these locations is required. Our experience with RUCKUS Professional Services, brilliant. The design phase, the iterations we went through, they listened to what we had to say. They understood the challenges that we were facing. Digitech, our partner for the actual installation itself, again, first-class service, very tidy installs. They knew what needed to be done and they got on and did the job.